Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying files and creating a timeline so you don't waste time later. Import video and separate audio into the same project. Align timecode or clapper marks if present. If there's no timecode, drop both clips near 0 and visually align the clap or waveform spike. Once done, lock the video track to avoid accidental moves, and make sure your sequence settings match the video frame rate and audio sample rate to prevent drift. Now you synchronize precisely. Use automatic sync if both clips share timecode, or align waveforms manually by matching spikes from the clap or loud consonants. Once roughly aligned, zoom in and nudge audio by single samples or frames for tight lip sync. If the scene has multiple cuts, sync each take rather than relying on one alignment. After adjusting, play through several seconds before and after cuts to ensure continuity. To finish, trim excess, add short audio crossfades at edit points, and route dialogue to the appropriate bus for processing. Export a brief reference clip and test it on headphones and speakers to confirm sync across playback systems. If you notice drift over long takes, make sure both files share the same sample rate and conversion. If they don't, apply an offline resample to match. One tip: if sync jumps, recheck original media timecode and relink media before resynchronizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.